Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing a warrant system here in Thailand, specifically the Arrest Warrant Information System, or AWIS, if you want to call it that, AWIS. In a recent article from the Chiang Rai Times, and I do have to say, I kind of keep track of the Chiang Rai Times quite frequently because it is often insightful. They do a lot of journalism up there and they discuss things from time to time that doesn't really pop up, sort of, for lack of a better term, on the radar down here in Bangkok. The article is titled, "New Arrest Warrant Information System Goes Online in Thailand." Quoting directly, Thailand's legal system has leaped into the digital era. They say area, but I think they meant era. And now has the ability to link authorities to a new Arrest Warrant Information System, acronym AWIS or AWIS. The online arrest warrant system has been fully completed, linking courts, the Department of Special Investigation, the Immigration Bureau, and police stations nationwide. Courts of Justice Secretary General Sarawut Benjakun said yesterday. Quoting further, across the country, 265 courts have now used the online arrest warrant system from October 1, 2019 to May 31, 2020. A total of 26,792 complaints were filed on the system and 60,146 arrest warrants were issued. So, and just to quote further, the Arrest Warrant Information System contains 6 types of important arrest warrants, including warrants for people who have escaped electronic tag fitting or who have violated their probation conditions. So, lot going on there, a lot packed in there. I urge those who are watching this video, go ahead and check out Chiang Rai Times. Again, new Arrest Warrant Information System goes online in Thailand. A lot of information therein. But the thing to understand about this is a real sea change. Thailand's court system, and I watched this happen sort of, I wasn't an attorney at the time, but I watched this happen mostly due to sort of my personal connections to the American courts in the United States via family connections, etc. When the system digitized in the mid to late 90s up through the mid to late 2000s, and then we are where we're at today, where in many ways the court system in the United States, you know, if you've got a record in one jurisdiction, pretty much anybody in virtually any jurisdiction is going to be able to see that, or is going to be able to see that that is ongoing. The other thing to understand is where a warrant may be issued at a local level, it may be very difficult for that warrant to be served in another jurisdiction or even seen in another jurisdiction. So, and I shouldn't say another jurisdiction in Thailand, but in another provincial jurisdiction, in another provincial area. Bailiwick may be the right word. So enforcement area, law enforcement precinct, if you will. So where in the past one might have had an outstanding warrant someplace and they couldn't particularly be seen if they moved locations and seen in the system, I mean that in a sort of esoteric sense, they could not be ascertained for their criminal history. That is no longer proving to be the case. And for expats and foreigners here in Thailand, it's a good idea to take note of the fact that immigration is interlinked with this database. I will make another video on this channel in the relatively near future to discuss that in more detail.